Oh. Hello, big old grill. Now, this may be mission impossible because it's very heavy and it's all goobered up. So it's probably going to fall apart as I try to lift it. A little bit of ancillary weight here. Get that off the, just to reduce whatever we can. All right. Let's stop screwing around. Let's just get it up here. See if we can get it in. We're gonna need you, I think. I don't know if our usual method is gonna work. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, good enough. Get you up out of the way. Now, man, get my exercise, my first load. That'll warm you right up. All right, shoe rack. And an alumni of the University of Phoenix. You might be aluminum. You are an alumni of getting all smashed down into little pieces. You're an alumni and you might be an aluminum, which is a new way to say aluminum and aluminium and however else all my friends like to say it. And look at that old car. Man, I bet you that's fun to just go cruising around town every now and then. Okay, let's go get a better look of it. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Man, beautiful paint job that they have on there too. That is just sweet. Sweet. All right, let's get back to it. Oh, speaking of cars, look at that. You're plastic. You are metal. Get my 4x4 out of the way. That was one of those brilliant viewer suggestions that I haven't had a chance to put to work yet. Make sure that the trash guys see you. When on a previous video where I was struggling with a low profile washer and dryer, one of my viewers suggested carrying a 4x4 in the truck. 2 would be even better, and then use that to raise them up a little bit so I can get a little better leverage. Brilliant idea. Don't know why I never thought of that. Isn't it funny how sometimes those very obvious ideas just never pop into your head until somebody from outside the picture looks at it and says, oh. And this was literally somebody outside the picture, the video in this case. All right, let's get back to it. Okay, so we got a car parts day kind of going here. Well, this might take a little while, so I think we're going to go to Mako speed, and while I'm working up a sweat, why don't you all chill out? Got to keep looking for cars. It's not that busy a street, fortunately. Can get a little busy. Ashtray. Nothing middle in there. Bike rack. Right. I want to make one more look here, and then I'm going to get that arranged. Let's clean this up a little bit. Ooh. Okay. Let's put the gate up. And see what we're dealing with. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, remains of a Bronco. Can you believe we're full already? What did we do? 3 stops? 4 stops? That's 420 pounds of shreddable material, even after I took off the good stuff from that air compressor right there that didn't want to work. $32.55. What a great way to start the day. I got plenty more to get done today. But if you're enjoying these street scrapping videos, follow this link to more of my street scrapping playlist. Don't forget to give this one a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, the little red button in the lower right hand corner. Tell your friends so they can see the shark as well. All right, everybody, have a great day.